In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for research in 2026. Grok AI can help you explore topics, organize information, generate research ideas, summarize content, and understand complex subjects more easily. First, open the official Grok website or supported Grok application and sign in to your account. Once you're inside Grok, start a new conversation and clearly describe the topic you want to research. Instead of asking a very broad question, provide context and explain exactly what you want to learn. For example, you can ask Grok to give you an overview of a topic, explain important concepts, identify key points, or create a structured research outline. If available in your current Grok experience, use its search or information features to help explore recent topics and relevant information. As you receive results, ask follow-up questions to investigate specific points in more detail. You can ask Grok to compare different ideas, explain difficult terms, summarize information, or organize findings into categories. For a larger research project, create a simple structure. Start with the main topic, then break it into smaller questions. Research each section separately and keep your notes organized. You can also ask Grok to turn your research notes into a summary, outline, table, presentation structure, or draft. However, don't rely on AI-generated information blindly. AI can sometimes provide outdated, incomplete, or incorrect information. For important facts, statistics, dates, academic work, or other claims, verify the information using reliable primary or authoritative sources.